How does this work?
Just tap the screen.
Which one? There are so many.
Tap the pizza picture.
Okay, I tapped it twice.
Why twice?
I wanted to be sure.
That means 2 orders now.
It's asking for my address.
Type our home address.
I typed next to the big tree.
That is not an address.
The tree is very big, though.
Delete it. Type the street name.
Done! Now it wants size?
Pick medium or large.
I picked extra, extra large.
That size doesn't exist.
It does now. I made it!
You can't just make a size.
There's a box for instructions.
Write no onions there.
Hello, Mr. Pizza Man.
Why would you write that?
I wanted to be polite.
Just press the order button.
Wait, how many did I order?
What do you mean, how many?
The screen says 10 pizzas.
10? Are you serious?
The app made me click fast.
Apps don't make you order.
Well, 10 pizzas are coming.
I am calling the restaurant now.
Or we could just eat them?
Next time, I will order.